Yo, what's up guys, I'm Yannick from the tpschool and I'm here to tell you that our newest pack called Futuristic is out now. With these future house and bounce inspired sounds, you can take your future house tracks to another galaxy. The pack was inspired by artists like Brooks, Mike Williams, Diablo, Bougenvilla, Zonderling and more, and it's designed to help you develop your future house tracks. From Serum and Sylenth presets to vocal jobs and project files, everything is included in our newest pack. So if you are a producer looking for futuristic synths, sick vocals or bouncy basses for your next track, then look no further. You will sure have fun messing around with the sounds, and the presets are a great starting point for you guys to just mess around and create your own presets out of them. Now let me show you what's all inside the pack. In Futuristic you will find 65 presets for Serum, 50 presets for Sound 1, vocal jobs, vocals and vocoders, a sample pack including drums, fills, effects and more, 4 complete project files for FL Studio 20 and some inspiring MIDIs that will help you create chords and melodies. If you want to support the pack, make sure to go to the link in the description or go to tpschool.com, and we will have a huge sale on all products in the first week of the release of Futuristic, so if you want to buy a pack from us and save some money, then get it in the coming week. We will be giving away 5 copies of the pack on our Instagram, so make sure to follow us on there and maybe you are one of the lucky winners of the pack. Now we'll give you a short preview of how the project files sound like. If you want to listen to each project file separately, make sure to go to our website then. Now we'll go over to some of the presets that are in the pack. Let's start with the first one, which is an ARP for Serum, and it's called King. It was inspired by Keanu Silva, and for almost every preset there are some macros over here so you can change up the sound. And this is how ARP King sounds like. And this is Bass Brazil, which was inspired by Boom from Mesto, and it goes like this. The next preset was inspired by Curry, and it's called Curiosity. The next bass is really dope and it's called Drown. The next preset is more of a dubstep kind of sound and it's called Dub. The next bass is really crunchy and it's called Bass Jupiter. The next bass is called 7, and that's because it has a 7th note in there, which you can see over here, and at semitones, and it sounds like this. This bass is really deep and it's called Zoo. Let's go over to some of the leads. This first one, which is a kind of future trance style synth, and it sounds like this. The next lead is a flute actually, and you can recognize it from the track Can't Get Enough from Mesto and Mesto, and it sounds like this. The next lead is one of my favorite leads in the pack, and it's called Dreamer. This is another really cool lead and it's called Futurism. Lead Gravity is a really unique one and it goes like this. This one is a Steph Da Campo inspired lead and it's called Invincible. And this lead is huge, it's called Lead Trumpet. The next lead is really generic but still dope and it's called Whistle. Here are some plugs. This is plug Amazon. And some last synths for Serum. This synth is called Back to the Future. And let me quickly go over some silent preset. This bass is called Donk. This bass is really sick and it's called Futurism. And the next bass has some really nice attack and it's called Silva. And here are some leads for Sylenth. The first one is called Back to the Bounce. And this lead was inspired by Brooks and it's called Bite. This lead is called Energy. The next lead is really basic but yet powerful and it's called The Love. Now I'm going to show you some plugs for Sylenth. This plug is called Robbie East. And this plug is called Finally. And last but not least, some synths for Sylenth. And the first one is called Back Before You Know and it was inspired by Wait Another Day from Mike Williams and Mesto. Next synth works perfectly for chords and it's called Crystal. And the final preset I'm going to show you is called Synth Saturn. Let me know what your favorite preset from the pack is and make sure to enter the giveaway on our Instagram this week. Don't worry, we will also drop some free presets later this week, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys for watching, and as I already said, if you want to get the pack yourself, then check out the link in the description.